Guys, what is going on? This is a new video series I'm starting. It is basically how to change the data on any web page, how to edit, customize your own web pages, and basically do whatever you want. So for this video, for part one, we're going to be focusing on just changing the text of the web page, so changing the HTML, changing certain text components. So for this, I'll just go to a standard web page, just go to Google here. Okay, now what you want to do to open up the editor, just hit F12 on your keyboard and that'll open up the editor here. Okay, I'm not sure what that is on Mac, but for Windows it is F12. Basically this is the editor and you want to make sure you have HTML clicked. So now let's say you want to change the content of Google search. So what you would do, you would go to search HTML, and it is case sensitive, so make sure you type it exactly how you see it here. Just type in Google search, then you can click the search button, and then it will highlight all the Google searches that it found. So for this one, it found the labels Google search, but we want to click the plus button here. It's not there, so we'll find it here somewhere. Here. So if you want to change the text in an HTML for Internet Explorer, it will always say text and then whatever the text is. So I could go ahead and change the text to whatever I want. So I could change it to AP Gaming search. Just click enter and then close this, and as you can see it did change right here to AP Gaming search, and that is pretty cool. And so yeah, we'll do one more. Say you want to change Google offered in Francais. We'll click F12 to open up the editor. So it's, just check it again. Okay, so I could just type in google.ca offered in, and here's the text. And it's offered in Francais, so say I want to change the text right here. I could put it to, I don't know, you could basically do it to whatever you want. I'm just changing it to advanced order just to show you guys. Now one thing, if you'll notice, if I refresh the page, it will go back to normal. Basically, to save it, all you do, you hit the save button here, and once you hit the save button, you could just go to your desktop and save it to your desktop. So I'll just show you an example. I'll just change Google search. I'll just change this one more time. I'll just change it to just something random so you guys can't see this. So it's changed right now. So I just hit F12, save button, and I can save it to my desktop as Google, as an HTML file. That's important. Make sure it's HTML. Just click save, close this, and then once I refresh that, it's not necessarily saved here, but when you click the file that you saved on your desktop, so you open that up, just let it load for a second. I don't know why it's taking so long. Okay, and as you can see, it has saved. So that's part one, and part two, we'll talk about changing the images on the page. See you guys in the next video.